What's up guys, Brian with Soko Customs here with round 2 of our 2024 regular cab dually build. That's how a lot of builds go in this place. They'll start off with the lift kit, wheels and tires, the basics, and then they'll move on to all of the other accessories. So the first portion of round 2 was the airbag kit. These are the 7500 XL series from Airlift. These are going to be the heaviest of the bags that you can get for the back of these light duty trucks. We paired that with the Bluetooth compressor. It does come with a remote, but I usually recommend that any of my customers, especially those that are towing boats, pair it up with their phone, because if that remote is left on a back bumper, it's going to end up in a lake. It's going to end up being left wherever you picked up whatever it is you were towing. The second portion is the rear differential cover from Banks. We sent this back over to Mod Finishes and they got it all powder coated in that azure blue. The customer wasn't really noticing anything as far as the fluid heating up, but when you did look up underneath that truck, everything else was so ornate, powder coated in that azure blue. It just kind of looked like it didn't fit with it, so we did put that rear differential cover on. And the third is going to be the AMP Research power steps. If you do go on to AMP and you start looking for the power steps that are going to fit this regular cab 3500, you're not going to find them. We had to modify these for the shortened cab length. All right guys, there goes round 2. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.